They come here illegally.
What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? What's up? Welcome into the chat. Who do we have live? Wait for a few more people to get in here, and then we will go over kind of what's happening. This is a great day for crypto. Everything is pumping. That's what we like to see. So a couple headlines we're going to talk about. And I did mention in the title, Trump is launching a crypto. So I want to talk about that a lot. We'll wait for a few more people to get in here to the chat. What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Let's get it going. Who do we have in the chat? As you guys get in here, make sure you smash that like button. Been going live for a little bit, but I want to get more people before we start rolling. Kind of go over kind of what's happening. I haven't done this in a while. It's a great day. We have crypto up into the green pretty handedly. Let me know who's in the chat, though, if you guys don't mind. Put up those thumbs. Get those thumbs up. Smash that like button. We got Avocado Games in the house. Hello. Thanks for coming, man. Say hello as you guys get into the chat. And let's talk some crypto. So big storyline right now. And it's something I want to talk about. And I did a video and I actually lost some subscribers because people thought I was getting political with it. But what's happening with the Trump family launching a crypto? All right, that's kind of the big headline. From my understanding, you can buy it, but you can't trade it. So I don't know what this is. I don't really think it's a great political move. I think that it just, it comes on the heels of a second assassination attempt. And now that we have Liberty Financial, World Liberty Financial, what is that? And that's kind of why I wanted to go live, because I want your guys' thoughts in the comments. A lot of people I tried talking about, they don't even know what it is either. It has something to do with stable coins. It has something to do with the way government is trying to get involved with that. But this is where there's really no specifics. It's just kind of my understanding. You can buy it, but you can't trade it because you can't transact with it. So let me know what you guys have. Did you guys hear about it, or is this just me? Please let me know in the comments. And as always, guys, as you come into the chat, make sure you smash that like button. But yeah, World Liberty Financial, borrowing and lending service used to trade cryptocurrencies, a form of digital money that will be traded over the internet without relying on the global banking system. And that's kind of crazy. So there's no fees. It seems to be the story behind it has something to do with the likes of stablecoins. I think Don Jr. is very much involved with this. But yeah, I'm kind of curious what you guys have to say about it. I personally don't know anything about it. But like I said, Bitcoin's up almost 5%, a little bit over 5% at times during the day. And I think this is where we start to see the steam pick up with crypto, right? September has always been that quiet month, that horrible month. But now that we get October, otherwise known as Uptober, the crypto market looks to reverse. And this is coming about on a day where if we look into crypto bubbles, it's a great day for crypto. Everything basically is up at least 2%, or at least close to it. Some moving more than others. I did a video today talking about Jasmy. We talked a little bit about Cardano, Solana, and some meme coins as always. All right, but we're going to talk about it a little more here. So we got a lot of people in the chat, and I don't know who is watching. So feel free, guys, drop a line, say hello. I want to get your guys' take on the World World Liberty Financial coin. Miguel, I have a lot of jobs, man. I kind of night trade. So I have a day job and a night trade, but I do have a flexible schedule, so I'm always on my laptop. That's why I do the YouTube thing. Always working. Just a normal person, but yeah, I'm always working, always trading. But yeah, it's pretty much what we have going on. If nobody wants to talk about the World Liberty Financial token that's coming about, that's kind of why I went live. I wanted to hear what your guys' take was, if you guys knew anything about it. Yeah. Okay, I got you on that one, brother. Yeah, I'm curious because it's supposed to be a fair launch, but I was reading about it, and you can buy it, but you can't transact it. So it just seems like kind of a fundraising effort, and I just don't think that's a great idea with a huge political election ahead. But kind of what we have going on, and but yeah, I want to kind of drop some alpha on some things, some big headlines. If you guys have anything you want to talk about, feel free to leave it in the comments, and let's get into it, okay? But we have a lot of people in the chat, and no one's saying hello. So if you guys don't mind, drop a line, say hello, let me know who's watching, and let's talk some crypto. But yeah, the big cryptos I'm trading right now, obviously, I think Bitcoin and Solana is kind of the big moves. We talked a little bit about Caspa. I do hold Cardano. I don't trade it. XRP, I think, is poised for a nice little boom, if you will. I think it just needs a runway, you know. And then obviously the meme coins. That's kind of where the majority of my time is being spent right now. Can't trade them all. Can't buy them all. Can't trade them all. But there is a lot of optimism that we do hit our stride in Q4 and Q1 of 2025. Personally, right now, it's kind of boring. It's boring for a lot of the cryptos I hold. They're just consolidating. So unless you're into making 5-10% swings and just rinse, wash, repeat, it's kind of boring unless you're into meme coins. So yeah, so feel free, guys, load up the comments box. I'll try to get to you guys one by one. We do have quite a few people watching, so I appreciate if you guys all kind of drop a line in the comments. But yeah, a couple movers out there. I guess we'll get into that since kind of got a Chainlink. Yeah, the king. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Welcome in too, by the way. Well, Chainlink's interesting because of what they're doing behind the scenes. Okay. I think that the big thing with them is we're just not ready for them. They're in that category. We're not ready for Chainlink. Right now, they're just kind of gearing up strategic partnerships. And I think that's something where you look at all the partners that they're aligned with, they're setting themselves up for a lot of success. Um, Chainlink right now, they've made a run. They're 14th in market cap. I think that if you look at the chart, and this is obviously not financial advice, just kind of my opinion within Chainlink, I think we hit $20 a little prematurely. Pulling it up right now, but yeah, for them, it's kind of that. For me in Chainlink, it's $13 to $16 is where we need to trade within. And if we get above $16, that's when Chainlink can break out. But getting back to $20 is not something out of the realm of possibility. Chainlink was kind of moving while other people weren't. Um, I don't think we're going to get that 2021 Chainlink, but it's important to understand this. They just wicked up around $52, $53. And just this year, we were trading at $20. Okay. So that's just a couple months ago. So, I mean, there's not a lot of cryptos that are essentially trading at 40% of all-time highs of the bull run of 2021. But I do think that with crypto, everything's kind of cyclical. So it does make sense to me to think that $20 is definitely a good target spot for them. But yeah, thank you for the comment. Also, please, guys, if you haven't done so, subscribe. We do talk crypto every day here on the channel. And let's get it. If you guys want to know kind of what meme coins I'm in, this is kind of an Ask Me Anything space. A lot of my usual viewers haven't really stopped by, light up the comments box. I haven't went live in a while, so didn't know what to really fully expect. But kind of just reiterating kind of what's going on. It's a boring time within crypto. Yeah, King, that's kind of where I'm at, man. I do kind of get into all three of those, but I have a lot of ADA. Tet hits AO 33. Welcome, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, we'll talk about Tet. See what's going on. So Tectum, $8.46. It's around $8, $9 right now, and you know that is kind of a unique crypto. It's kind of primitive, if you will. Okay, and a lot of things is saying that they're priding themselves on being like the world's fastest blockchain. So that's definitely a great selling point. But like, I think right now for where blockchain is, we're either like really early for it or just nobody even cares. That's kind of how I feel about it. But, still right now in 2024, if you want to get into fast blockchains, you definitely look into Hedera. That would be kind of my pick for that. Hedera and Solana. Excuse me. But yeah, so kind of where I'm at. I can pull up the chart if you want to talk about it more. It's having a great day, up 4.25%. Once again, another one of those cryptos that saw $44 back in 2024. So interesting, just a little bit above kind of the start of it all. But, to get back to $40, that's going to be kind of a huge mover, okay? But this seems to be kind of their bottom if you do believe in TA. SWI's another big one that I'm on, SUI. If you do want to get involved with SWI, check them out. That's one of my picks. That I do like ASI token, and just to name a few out there in the space. Article Gaming, has Wi-Fi launched yet? Help me out with that one. I cover a lot of crypto, so I don't always get the full, kind of full kind of gist of everything pumping. Is that the helium mining system? Yeah, we talked about that new Trump coin a little bit. I don't know what it is. From everything I've read about it, it seems to be like they're saying it's launched. I can't find it launched. I don't trust the addresses that are out. And quite frankly, I don't really know what the purpose is. It just seems like a fundraising coin. And I don't know really why they're doing that ahead of the election. I think it's kind of a stupid move, if you ask me. But yeah, if I wouldn't mind putting a couple $100 towards it, um, just seeing what it does if you can get in early enough. Doesn't seem like it's going to be a pre-sale kind of move. Miguel, great question. Great question. Um, yeah, crypto trading 101. I just actually talked about this in the video. I actually don't mind Robinhood unless you're trading like millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars even. Robinhood's quite all right. Okay, I know there's no, how do I want to say it? There's no security in terms of you don't own the keys to those cryptos, but I think that Robinhood offering no fees or little none fees, if you're just trading some of the big crypto names that are out there, I think Robinhood's a great spot for new investors. If you're just trading Bitcoin, you're trying to swing trade cryptos they offer. Yeah, I mean, I'm all about it. So the only problem is they don't offer every crypto. That's kind of the only negative, and the fact that if they do get hacked, or if you want to rely on kind of their insurance policies and what they do from that standpoint, fine, go for it. But if I'm like trading like a big bag of something, I'm not really using Robinhood to do that. I want to make sure that I own my crypto. But yeah, if you're looking just to make moves with Robinhood, which I know a lot of people do, it's not a bad route for sure. Just because of no fees, right? In the days of like $300 gas on Ethereum, that's kind of over with. They had to kind of change that just because of the competition with Solana and some of the other blockchains out there. Um, yeah, do a YouTube search on MetaMask. That's kind of where you find your biggest gainers, but there's also more volatility. So just be very careful and make sure you know exactly what you're getting into. But yeah, if you're going to trade like that, you definitely need a decentralized wallet. So you definitely need to have access to some of the exchanges and swaps out there. Um, get those more lower cap cryptos, but some people don't do that. Some people aren't into the meme coins. Some people don't, don't even know how to use a Phantom wallet or get involved with Solana. That's just to name one, but I've had a lot of success with Solana meme coins this season, especially when the overall market's kind of flat. David, yeah, when do you think Bone will get listed on a big exchange? Well, I was actually at the Futures Conference in Toronto with a lot of SHIB people, and um, problem is with Bone is right now it's just like Shiba Inu has so much of they're so like diverse right now with what they're trying to get into. With Shibarium and just to name a few, but like you got Shibarium and all those ecosystem tokens and plays, and it seems to be they're just building faster on that front than getting what they need to get in house. And so like Bone and Treat, right? That's kind of the go-tos. And we talk about Bone, and that is if Shibarium actually gets legs and takes off, Bone is going to absolutely go nuts. Just a lot more use case, right? If that metaverse actually comes about and gets some legs, like I said. Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold, so forgive me for coughing. But yeah, man, it's not so much them not being able to get listed on exchange. It's just kind of, exchanges are weird, and especially like the big one for Bone would be, they're on crypto.com, they're on some big ones, some big tier twos, but they don't have like that Binance listing that I think would catapult them. So that's kind of the biggest thing holding them back, right? But there's a reason for that, right? These exchanges aren't going to start listing a crypto that don't have the trading volume to sustain that listing, and then because they end up getting kind of rewarded for, and that's how it all works, right? you get to use that liquidity pool, and that's kind of the benefit of using big exchanges. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe if you haven't done so. We talk crypto every day. Just thought I'd go live this afternoon for a little bit. Got some videos out today talking about some key stuff. Big updates with Cardano too. You know, Hoskinson's teasing some new tech. A lot of people don't like hearing about Cardano, but you can't be partial to just a few crypto. You have to be open-minded in this space because it does change so fast. Like right now, Solana, everybody thought it was dead at around $19, and then ends up hitting over $200, and Solana meme coins are just exploding. So don't be impartial because you just never know, and you don't want to be late to the party. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're at. You guys know anything about that the Trump coin? I'd love to hear some input if somebody knows more than I do. Yeah, Luna Classic. It's just a coin flip, man. That they went through hell. So if you believe in them, I mean, go for it. But they have a lot of plans with repegging to Tether or to USDC, I should say. But this is kind of where we're gonna have a lot of changes. I think Terraform Labs, they're not going anywhere, but that whole debacle and fiasco was just crazy. So that's kind of where they literally went through hell. So I feel bad for anybody involved with all that. But it's going to take years, in my opinion. Thanks, David. Appreciate that. Yeah, it's been quiet. It's been a hard summer. This is like the worst time to talk about crypto, trade crypto, because when we do get good days, it's volatile and ends up basically washing out. So we haven't really made a run. Like I said, that's why it's important to stay tuned, because Q4 and Q1 and Q2 2025 is when I'm looking to see that takeoff. My whole family has strep throat, so I took an antibiotic kind of early, but I got this cough, and it's just a dry cough, and nothing seems to be working. But yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm kind of holding pat, just trading meme coins. And if we have more people in here, I talk about it. Are any of you guys invested in Nero? Kind of the meme coin that had a lot of legs, and then absolutely exploded, and then just had a little sell off, a big sell off actually this month, so this week, and kind of trying to get to the bottom of that one. It's a little fishy. Yes, no, maybe so. Can't really pull up charts with these live streams, but yeah, I'd love to show you that Nero chart. It's just kind of crazy to think about what's happening with that. Yeah. Yeah, Turbo, where are they at actually right now? I saw they got listed on Binance this week. That's a good story. That's a good move. Still crazy year for them. I mean, they've had a great year. Up 25% this month. Did they do a relaunch? Turbo. I'll look into that one. Okay, yeah, so 18% on the day. Yeah, Turbo's holding true. That chart looks actually really bullish for, considering where all-time highs was. Yeah, Turbo was up there, and that Binance listing definitely helped them. Turbo's a big one. I was late to that party. I wish I would have got into it back when it was, it was basically half of what it is now. Turbo, Brett on base was another one. The base chain cryptos are kind of taking a hit. I was big into Brett for a while. But yeah, Nero and ETH, that's one that I just don't understand why they're down so much. I mean, now they're down to $71 million market cap. And this is a crypto that a lot of people think that can get to $1 billion. So a little bit of a dip for Nero if you guys want in. That's a great kind of storyline. A crypto, by the way, that I am currently talking about a lot, and I talk them when I do cover Solana cryptos. I do talk about them, but that's Ginnan the cat, Ginnan. Very nice chart. Still kind of early for this crypto, and I've noticed that like a lot of money flows from Nero to Ginnan. So when Nero goes down, I think people are buying Ginnan and vice versa. So I've been kind of playing it like that. So if you want to check out a opportunity with a meme coin, check out Ginnan the cat on Solana. Obviously not financial advice, but sitting at $20 million, this is a crypto that at all-time highs just, basically back in August, so a little over a month ago, this was basically 4x from where we're at right now. So I wish I had a way to show you this, but maybe I do. So give them a look. That's a pretty decent chart for what's going on right now in the market. But that's it. I don't really get into too crazy with meme coins. I do like pre-sales launches, but mainly I like for that first drop off, and then I buy in, and then we'll see what happens. I don't marry meme coins either. So the longest I hold them, unless they have legs or long-term potential, like Nero, for example, Brett was like that as well for me. Then it might end up being like a 3-4 month hold. But 1 month in crypto time is a lifetime. So that's something to keep in mind as well. But welcome in, guys. Appreciate you guys spending the afternoon with me. We're just kind of talking crypto as I get over my strep throat. Second time I got it. Never had it in my life, and now I got strep throat twice in 1 year. That's what kids will do to you. But we were cruising, and I took a week off of YouTube because I lost my voice from strep throat, and it's just kind of never really got back, and now I'm still once again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all for tuning in. If you guys haven't hit that like button, make sure you do. And please subscribe, because we do talk crypto pretty much every day. But any other things you guys want to go over in the charts, talk about, get into? Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I don't do these live streams too often. It's really hard with my schedule, but they're nice just to kind of go live. We're getting really close to 8,000, so if we get 22 subs, that'd be sweet. But yeah, we try to talk about them all. Some of the big ones, like I do try to cover all the ones that are moving, any big headlines. Not too much trading on the channel. I use my trading indicator. I should probably start doing content when I actually make moves using it, because it just simply, like, it makes it so easy, and it actually works. But that's kind of where I'm at. Now it's showing. Oh wow, yeah, that's crazy. A lot of actors. So right now during the midday, I just kind of got like 8 charts up and just kind of going through a lot of my crypto I hold. And like I said, I use my trading indicator, but it just gets kind of boring this time of year because it seems to be nobody wants anything to move but meme coins. But yeah, so we're rocking with it. Appreciate you guys. The only kind of thing I'll give you guys from a sponsored perspective, if you do any leverage trading and you want to help out the channel, check out Margex, links down below in the description. They're right now doing a crypto that I really like for this next push, and even kind of outside that, more longer term, is Caspa. And right now they're doing a $500,000 Caspa airdrop. I think the only stipulation is like $100, and then you do get some free Caspa part of that airdrop if you do use that exchange. But leverage trading is not for everyone. It's really volatile, so make sure it's right for you. But yeah, it's awesome. Good day. Any day in the green is a great day. I was actually supposed to be in Singapore right now for the Token 2049, which I'm kind of pissed because I really enjoy those crypto conferences. They really get a ton of information. You get to meet a lot of people that, anytime I get to meet somebody who knows more than I do in person about crypto, that's always a good thing because you get to really expand your knowledge base and learn. Because I'll be the first one to admit I'm not a blockchain major. I know the basics, but if you ask me if I want to know more about blockchain or know more about trading crypto, I think we all can answer that question. But yeah, so it's been fun. We went live for about a half hour. I am going to wrap up this stream. Just wanted to kind of share with you guys. Nobody really, quite frankly, knows what's going on with that Trump meme coin. And I was hoping somebody in the chat would be able to help me out because I got to be honest with you, I probably would buy it. Like I probably would buy, a couple $100 on it and try to get in as early as possible because I can see it just exploding, but it seems like you can't like sell it. So I don't know. Maybe it's just like a donation crypto. Hard to say. And I don't really trust the website I found online either. So gonna have to kind of wait. Probably end up being late to it. I'm not gonna FOMO into it. But if it's something where like they are actually doing like a fair launch and it's like, okay, guys, we're launching the World Financial Token at like 8 p.m. on Friday, yeah, you can bet your dollar that I'm going to get in that because that's just going to go crazy as long as you can sell it. But it's right now, from what I've read, it just seems like it's almost like a fundraiser, but I don't see the purpose of buying it then. But that's what I got. Appreciate you guys, at least the ones that are listening, and the guys in the comments. Really, really appreciate you guys because crypto right now is hard to talk about. It's that boring lull in September. That's it. It's pretty much all we got, and I can't wait for this market to take off because then we really get to start calling some shots and having some fun trading. Right now, it's just kind of swing trades for me, meme coins, and obviously my longer holds. But that's just what I'm doing. So, all right. Well, that'll wrap it up. That is kind of how I'm going to conclude this stream. Like I said, guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. And please, if you do want to trade on leverage, explore my link if you guys want to sign up with Margex. It's down below in the description. That's pretty much it. That's all I really do is talk crypto here. So if you guys want to subscribe, awesome. If not, that's cool too. Hopefully we'll see you in the next live stream. And I'll try to do these a little bit more often because it's a little easier just to talk. But if there's nothing really going on, I can't really tell you guys enough how important it is for us as people here trading crypto. You know, you have to have these green days. If they're not green, it's really, really hard to talk about crypto, because nobody wants a, you know, nobody wants to hear about crypto. And I'm the first one to admit it. Back when I started trading, I got wrecked. Like, I got wrecked pretty well. Um, Bought too much at the top, and then, you know, not understanding the cycles, and then not selling early enough and taking profits. Everybody's guilty of that, but that's kind of learning from your mistakes 101. So if you guys want to know more, like I said, we're going to go live a lot more here as soon as the and also the summer is just really hard to just talk in front of a computer and stuff. So we do some things remote, but for the most part, it's mainly just daily crypto updates here on the channel. So thank you all for watching. I'm going to run, and then we'll see you guys all in the next video.